welcome you, and let's give Nick a round of applause. And John, would you like to say a few words, please?
If we want to do something that is meaningful, just follow your heart. I had to surrender. I had to surrender to myself, change my thinking. I had to surrender to other human beings. I had to surrender to power greater than myself. I then had to find a purpose in my life. Then it was the connection with myself. I love myself, appreciate myself, focus on who I am, not who I'm not. Be the authentic Nick, to show up as I am. That was the connection.
I was feeling very good after the session, and I hope he gives one more session like this for it.
What I have learned today will definitely accompany me in my day-to-day tasks.
I feel very, very grateful for this section that been reminding me my personal goals.
I think this is a very important session because in most business we focus a lot on business goals and big targets that the corporations need to achieve, and sometimes we forget on the personal level. And what most corporates forget is that when you actually help your people to become better, they will automatically perform at a higher level. Therefore, you will automatically achieve business goals, even at times without a strategy. So this session was all about focusing on you, your inner self. The higher you go with yourself, the higher you go with your business goals, and ultimately producing the results that you want to achieve.